Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to add an EMA in Exness chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness chart, then go to indicators here at the top. Click on it, and here at the search bar, type EMA. Choose this one, Moving Average Exponential. Okay, make sure you choose this one. So click on it, and now this is our EMA. If you want to make it, for example, a 50 EMA, go to these three dots here, click on it, and click on Settings. Go to Input, and we have here length, change it to 50. Now click on OK, and now this is our 50 EMA. If you want to change this color, go to the three dots, Settings, Style, and we have here below. Click on it, and you can choose any color from here. So I will choose, for example, yellow, and for the thickness, I will choose this one. And now just click on OK. Now this is our EMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.